In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the navigation tools around the Instagram app. So if we click on the Instagram icon, so the first thing that happens when you click on the icon, it opens it up on that little house over there. So what that little house is, this is your feed. This is the people that you follow on Instagram. So I follow WSL. That post came up because they probably posted in the last couple of hours. So if you scroll up your feed, you'll see other people you follow. Okay, that there is just a sponsored ad in between, and you'll see different accounts, different posts they've created for the day. So if you keep scrolling, I will see hundreds of posts with people that I follow. But if you go to the top of this app, you'll see a feature called your story. So this is where I can create stories where they'll last 24 hours, but I'm not going to get into stories now. It's for another tutorial. And to the right, those are people that I follow or accounts that I follow. They have created stories. Let me just click on one right now just to show you. So this is what their story has gone on. So if you just tap the screen, you can navigate through my follows stories. Okay, so I'm going to go out of that. I'll just pull it down. As you can see, it refreshed. There's another video in my feed of another account I follow. So if you look down to the bottom again, we're going to move to that little magnifying glass. Now this is the explore page. Instagram calls it the explore page. Now these aren't your followers. These are very popular posts, whether videos or photos of accounts around the world. Now, Instagram does put some sponsored posts in between there. So when you create an advert, your posts can go within this explore page, but that's another tutorial just down the line. So once you're on this explore page, you'll see they target me because on surfing. So you'll see a lot of surfing here, surfboards, waves, etc., etc. But there are a lot of randoms in between. That's what Instagram does. They try and entice you to look into another account, like it, comment, maybe even follow it, etc. But you can see the majority of my feed, it's actually not my feed, my explore page feed is surfing. If I click on the search, because we're still in the search here, you can actually search for people, accounts, etc. So your tat, your lifestyle, that's the last search I did. If I click on that, it'll bring up that account, but I'm going to go back. Okay, and go cancel because I'm not searching for anyone right now. So we go back to the navigation tools at the bottom. That little plus button there, that is to start creating a post. So whether it's a photo, video, etc., which I'm going to click on it right now. So this will bring up that, it'll bring that little feed up. So the last photo that I took or screenshot is this music lineup at a business called Monkey Valley. But that's for posts, for mostly static posts. You can upload a video, but I don't suggest it. Then the next little icon just below it there, that's called your story. You can create a story there, but I don't go this way. I'll go the other way, which I'll show you in another tutorial. And if you click on Reel, this is where all the power happens. This is where you upload your videos. And as you can see, all your editing features on the right. But that's for another video tutorial too. And then the last one to the right is the live button. So this is if you want to go live. People can join, they can comment while you're talking. Maybe I'm doing a surf report, maybe I'm down at Muizenberg and I go live. And people are sitting in the northern suburbs of Cape Town and they want to know what the waves are like. They can ask questions. That's what the live feature is, and it's really, really powerful. So if I go out of that, we're going to go back and look down the little icons down the bottom, the navigation icons. That is Instagram's Reels icon. So when you click on that, you're going to get videos that come up. And these videos are kind of like the explore page, but it's just for videos, which are called Reels. And probably the most popular ones that are trending right now will come up in your feed. As you can see on the right-hand side there, there's 354,000 likes, etc. So if you scroll up, there's a video tutorial of surfing. They know I do surf lessons, etc. That's why they've chucked that in there. Keep scrolling. They put horses and dogs now and again because I've featured a dog in my videos and on the beach, etc., etc. So as much as I get the surfing, I do get the animal aspect jumping in now and again. But this is, there we go, it's dogs. But this is just popular videos around the world. These are not people that you follow. But if you do have a follower that is quite active on uploading videos, etc., or reels, there's a good chance their video might pop up in your feed as you scroll. Okay, so if you now we're going to go to the last little icon, navigation icon. That is your profile pic. That is you. This is where all your information is. This is your bio. This is your posts. This is your followers, the people that you follow. This is your call to actions. I'm going to click on the more button. This is your links. This is your professional dashboard if you're on the professional account. This is your highlights. So what it comes in by default is a little grid on the left, and this is all your posts which you have created, videos, photos, they're all mixed. If you click on that Reels icon, this is where all my Reels are stored. As you can navigate, you can see how many views I've got, etc., etc. So that last one there is the tag icon. So this is where your friends or other people that have tagged you in videos or photos, that's where that will come up. So I'm going to show you one more feature. So if you go back to the home page, that little heart button there, that is where you can see where people like your videos or comment, etc., etc., people that follow you. So I hope that tutorial was formative, and hope you learned something.